Ever wonder how your food gets from field to fork? The answer is a high-tech revolution happening in modern agriculture. Forget the pitchfork. Today's farms are powered by robotics, AI, and data science. These machines operate with insane speed and precision, feeding billions. From AI-driven harvesters to autonomous tractors, this is farming like you've never seen before. They're tackling the challenge of feeding a growing population, sustainably. Get ready to discover the engineering marvels that make your dinner possible. Let's dive in. Meet the Mega Combine Harvester, the king of the field. Imagine a machine the size of a house, harvesting over 100 tons of grain per hour. These giants do 3 jobs at once: reaping, threshing, and winnowing, all with mind-blowing efficiency. The operator sits in a cockpit that's more spaceship than tractor, overseeing a fully automated system. GPS guides the combine with sub-inch accuracy, ensuring every stalk is harvested, no fuel wasted. Inside, sensors analyze grain quality and yield in real time, mapping productivity down to the square meter. The AI adjusts settings on the fly for maximum efficiency and minimal loss. One operator can clear a football field in minutes, day or night, thanks to satellite guidance. Headers over 50 feet wide fold up for transport, then unfold like transformers in the field. Every component is built for speed, durability, and reliability. Downtime isn't an option during harvest. These machines let a handful of farmers feed millions. They're the front line of global food security, blending raw power with sophisticated brains. The journey of your bread or cereal likely began inside one of these colossal, intelligent harvesters. It's not just farming, it's a high-tech ballet. Next time you eat, remember the Mega Combine Harvester working behind the scenes. This is the future of agriculture, and it's absolutely awesome. Precision, power, and data, harvesting reimagined. The Mega Combine is a marvel of engineering and software, feeding the world, one field at a time. That's the power of modern farming. If the combine is the king, the autonomous tractor is the tireless workhorse. Picture a tractor working day and night, no driver needed. This is reality on today's farms. Packed with cameras, radar, LiDAR, and GPS, these tractors see everything and navigate with sub-inch precision. A farmer can plan routes from a tablet, then let the tractor handle plowing, planting, or spraying flawlessly. Labor shortages? No problem. One farmer can manage a fleet from their phone. These machines run 24/7, hitting perfect planting windows and maximizing yield. If an obstacle appears, the tractor stops and alerts the farmer instantly. The AI learns from every field, sharing knowledge across the fleet for smarter, faster work. This is machine learning in action. Farming gets more efficient with every pass. The autonomous farm is here. Robots handle the hard work. Farmers focus on strategy. It's not about replacing people, it's about empowering them. Farmers become data scientists and fleet managers, growing more with less. The autonomous tractor is a partner in the future of agriculture. Precision, endurance, and intelligence. Farming redefined. Welcome to the era of the robotic workhorse. After tilling, it's time to plant, and speed and precision are everything. Enter the high-speed planter, firing over 100,000 seeds per minute at 10 mph. Old gravity-fed systems are out. Now, vacuum and brush belt tech place each seed perfectly. Seeds are spaced with zero velocity relative to the soil. No doubles, no skips. Perfect spacing means healthier crops and higher yields. Each row unit is a mini robot, adjusting pressure for exact depth in real time. Planters create digital maps, recording every seed's location, depth, and soil conditions. Later, farmers overlay this with harvest data to fine-tune their strategy. Variable rate planting lets farmers adjust seed density on the fly, optimizing every inch of the field. It's micromanagement on a massive scale. Uniform rows stretching to the horizon, that's engineering, not luck. These machines turn farming into a data-driven science. Mechanical ingenuity, sensors, and analytics, working together to feed the world. High-speed planters are the unsung heroes of modern agriculture. They give farmers control that was unimaginable a generation ago. Precision, speed, and intelligence. Planting reimagined. The future of farming starts with the seed, and these machines make it possible. Harvesting underground crops like potatoes is a delicate, industrial-scale challenge. Enter the potato harvester, a gentle giant that digs, sorts, and preserves quality. Rotating blades lift entire rows. Potatoes, soil, and vines onto conveyors. The web conveyor shakes off dirt and debris, separating potatoes from the mess. Advanced optical sorters scan every object, using cameras and near-infrared light to spot rocks and clumps. Air jets or robotic fingers flick unwanted items away in milliseconds. This automation replaces tough manual labor and boosts efficiency. The final conveyor gently delivers clean potatoes into trucks, minimizing bruising. Every step is engineered to protect crop quality. Appearance matters. These machines are about power and precision, not just speed. Fewer hands, more consistency, and better produce. Potato harvesters are a marvel of gentle engineering. They make large-scale root crop farming possible. From field to table, quality is preserved at every step. That's the magic beneath your mashed potatoes. Some of the most impactful farm tech now flies above the fields: agricultural drones. These aren't toys, they're advanced scouts, doctors, and data gatherers. Drones map fields with multispectral and thermal sensors, spotting plant stress invisible to the eye. NDVI maps reveal crop health, letting farmers act before problems spread. Precision agriculture means treating only the problem spots, saving resources and the environment. Drones can spot spray pesticides, count plants, and create 3D maps for irrigation planning. The data is instantly uploaded and analyzed, integrating with other farm systems. Drones give farmers a superpower, seeing the invisible, being everywhere at once. They're key nodes in the smart farm ecosystem. The result? Smarter, more sustainable decisions. Drones are revolutionizing how we monitor and manage crops. The sky's the limit for farm intelligence. Welcome to the era of aerial agriculture. The tech revolution isn't just in the fields, it's transforming livestock care too. Smart barns let cows choose when to be milked by robotic systems. A cow walks in, gets identified, and a robotic arm does the rest: cleaning, milking, and monitoring health. Data from every milking is tracked, alerting farmers to health issues instantly. Automated feeders deliver custom rations, and robots push feed closer 24/7. In pig barns, systems monitor air, temperature, and deliver precise feed to each animal. Robotic cleaners keep barns hygienic, improving animal welfare and efficiency. Automation means healthier animals and more productive farms. Farmers catch problems early and focus on animal health, not just chores. It's a win-win: better business, better animal lives. Technology is reshaping livestock care from the ground up. The barn of the future is here, and it's smart. Happy animals, efficient farms, and better food for all. What about growing food where the climate is harsh or in the city? Enter smart greenhouses and vertical farms. These are fully controlled ecosystems. AI manages temperature, light, humidity, and CO2 for perfect growth. Sensors feed data to a central computer, making thousands of micro-adjustments daily. Robots handle planting, moving, monitoring, and harvesting. No human hands needed. Cameras and AI spot disease or pests instantly. Robots remove affected plants. Water is recycled, pesticide use is nearly zero, and vertical stacking multiplies yield. These farms can grow food anywhere, year-round, decoupling agriculture from climate and season. Urban vertical farms bring fresh produce closer to consumers, slashing transport. The future is a network of smart, autonomous farms, indoors and out. AI and robotics will be crucial as the population grows and climate changes. It's not just cool tech, it's food security for the future. Smart greenhouses are the next frontier in sustainable agriculture, feeding the world, one smart farm at a time. 7 mind-blowing technologies are reshaping how we get our food. From mega harvesters to AI greenhouses, agriculture is smarter and more exciting than ever. These machines are essential to feeding a planet of 8 billion. Behind every meal is a story of science, tech, and human ingenuity. The future of farming is here, smarter, faster, and more sustainable. Like, subscribe, and tell us which machine amazed you most. Thanks for watching.